My God, Akufo-Addo, what did you do to people? But when I'm here, Crawford, then just a Bonnie Bear.
I was from Mamu Yamakwaba at the Bagana and Sem TV. So, but I'm on this like video, no best subscribe to the channel, no turn on notifications. Next time, videos of this nature, also submit to my cabinet. So, watch your comment section. Maybe we from Mr. President and Major also TikTok or comment section. But be about we from Mr. President and Major also. You need to say that should be the new patriotic party about power. Na ya bana Ghana for nyina hwato e ko amamo we die e die nti Sudan say man we need that bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyesom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda hwa ho be chiro pa the moment abe hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say Addo retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra, mommy enko. The enko video bimra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President. Mommy enko message here.
Me say me die. Say school for na akwala na e da yen I discuss so dia no. But almost every week, a week and a day, biano, say a disca qua, I could only be the school. Now, so me, ye didn't quite be treme pound. And quite pa, yes, and could only be the power right there. Oh, God. And quite near mo. Ah, and quite pa near mo. Other ya was a four. And quite any mo. Now, ocean quite ni. I nim. Now, me kai. My God, Akufo-Addo, what did you do to people? But when I'm here, Crawford, then just a Bonnie Ben Pan NPP, yeah. People would rather eat toilet and poison than to have NPP lead. It doesn't make sense. Regr3ts, it's not making sense to me no more. Emily, me say, Ocean Quino. Now, say a mono say you too Jimmy. Say a Daniel. Now, Utu said that. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hey. Now, me compare Nanado, me Betty to me trying to do another time. Me say, as a fellas, men, these people, they are only doing politics. And I'll be like, are you sure? No, they do, and then send them. Jollof for no Kusiane, that's so. This is Nanado. Ye nyakwa siampeni okude to aboa brokwa beifuba beyiba brokwa the katre say aduane a yede ma yemba ni di wo school. Enye aduane papa. Expired food. Na yenya sabe Interpol just the one that media me be kwa almost president na me be bi. No no si gina kire. Aduane a yemba ni di no. Me cram my po on the intermediate me ba headmasters no aha no mo akrofi se mo market na ejimi for no so our market me can the whole akrofi market so mo ka jom se mo fa mo 10 bags mre bedding ya ka se mo fa si 10 bags mre bedding onipa no wo supermarket wo no e si tire no fa 5 bags pe na 5 bags na na echiche mu de ko Ama sama market omo ton brody anye ton brody intimate sika be ma o tire teacher for no krono na teacher for headmasters no so omo beye no krono omo person omo bo Ghana nti mahama ka tom say discover be show omo nsa nti
so man unya MP obedi be MP member of parliament
well man who say fellas
oh man unya MP obedi
ahomti
o man me ba unya MP obedi
ahomti me president name MP dey say for
o man meti heyi me se me yensem twa adwuma
ehun susuaso no
ehun susuaso se me soro ahomache de me bakra koto boarding because me ya no pani sa me soro ahomache me nyo bi hwe no nyame na ayado ma ayado aba makoyi na fi boarding aba I cannot complain. It's ever quattro for super so say na ni abre person how many times na quattro for super so person the MP
No, you say won't you.
bisa ne se sika he na o de wura mu ansa na obeye member of
Omunya azumi office mysterious plane bi ambulance bi ebesi Ghana twin cocaine e de call Grand Canaria ye kan ho asem omokoche Reverend Team Fojo a ono ne be expose NDC aben sa asem no NDC aben SPP no under carpet but this time no, it's not going to happen yentina ho e ma mum ma Ghana bedane cost of illicit drug trading baby ye export inuboni baby inuboni efri eko ewiase nyina da no Interior Minister Muntaka ebe can say voter region has become the hub for weed Obonsam Tower voter region ye dua pa ye export to Nigeria any other African countries Ghana yaji dimboni in just less than 2 years NDC fui Azumi office omu yo man Ghana sika omu bo Ghana for krono big push omu de bo Ghana for krono ye good omu bo Ghana for krono petroleum downstream honum omu bo Ghana for krono afi mo sign delay in drugs mo sign any drug lords Omo ye cartel, they have criminal syndicator, trading in illicit drugs, money akuna collaborate, use Ghana as coast, as a place exporting illicit drugs across the country. We will not sit down for these people to bring shame to Ghana because say ye greedy, ye criminals, person so this matter there, ye enjoy money slide that and this way. They are a bunch of thieves, they are a bunch of criminals. Omo wa bema, omo ne ma me come with tipam ho omo de sai nuboni akesi, zamet akesi, bag akesi, every Ghana kopie mu Australia ne. We ya Ghana ni na wo Australia ye be show tutu. We will fish all of them out. And Mahama and Aban should come out and answer questions. Epanya, my many fast one, utimi BT all checkpoints. Epanya, my many fast one, utimi Edison Nuboni, Efa Ghana, export Ghana, export free Ghana, and the copium will be anti-me and detecting. We will get to the bottom of this matter.
That sword, ebe shas ye de one. Yay! When they come America, I will park so. I'll say, wadi kanyo or no di kan or the first. But first no, or say mempe first no. But me jam first no medino, na my baby di last. Na my baby shas ye foforo. What be that? What it look like? Tuna ye to aba editia. Honorable Kennedy Japan no asa ya kakra wonimu eni nti na ode kasa no because
you end down no see mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections ye ko no ma Dr. Bawumia e de na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yema mo na busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious. So in fact, on my bit me could borrow or my be presidency. On my bit me could borrow or my be leaders are KBA, the new patriotic party, the leaders of the party, KBA borrow another African country to go and cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country, we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country, we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impo yenwie because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is yentime because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look say we have some of the hospitals in fact, yeah, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many look say yeah, hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan who say na no me nyina be ya. This is kind of kwaka dey wasa Butuu me say oh, I mean say almost NPP for ya konfo. Name ma konfo to ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals dem almost omo ya konfo. a comfort ma facilitate me on be fund free seniors so mo ya comfort you say enye Ghana for debut na fe na tables na 10 afi dem okeke mu kaka why are they shouting obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho asofo no mo nko ma no ntu asofo no with the greatest of respect o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho chief imam for nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho politicians nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho market women o mo nko ma no ntu ne nko nyina ho obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho 2020 jua then we will know the way forward yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system be ba mo so open ko nkete Nancy bibi ni na kasa de sebi ye bibi ya nkete ya adwen nkete ye bibi ye bia invest square ye nkete we want everything in pieces we don't want everything in bulk adi asem kra ni obi ma credit scoring system also open ko nkete obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems you know most open ko nkete is enya mo de you people chose policy you people chose music over policy na ne yete ne nyine ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me na wo ne wo sia kire me sabi me na me ko ka kire Regr3ts ndoma ni ma so o mema was come to Butuu wa ye wa ha digitalization ye start say ye mo se daddy digitalization en to kinki nti mo pe kinki sika nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam ye wo ko mo ya e de Regr3ts ndoma ni ma ko gina efese enkranfo mu gafo ka cho say oh gafo de oh na mo de onye kinki na mo hia digitalization bia e na gafo say okay ne beto ba na ma bum mo to ba ma kinki government a etimi
Sese die ko ye kwa de menu na to me hu letter bi a yokofo tro ye eba council of state member Butuu region na me se fiam Remona chapa ya hype ni say we ye can say Israel train
but the issue is true
okwa ne letter na wo say council of state member no wo ye former staff emanam 1 which is never true
onya adwuma order and onya juma wo hoda ama nam 1 for the first time nam 1 I post oh yes nam 1 I post ya no ka chi obi say dipa ne boa
o si sa asem na me say for the first time nam 1 akwa pe ba bia akoda na nam 1 yes na che say wo si no kura adwiri ni say state institution a we intelligence institution who need intel
ayeka bro
problem ni nyina ne say
economy no kwa na eboa ye
problem ni nyina ne say papa or council of state member or company to good before grab good board beba no to me create a good board alliances no to me to good to me to good etimi good kwa manone ano ne adwuma ko bia kwa pam say me supply o good between June 2025 to June 2026 within 4 or 5 months we team supply gold no over 75%. Omo koso na se maintain ho ase ba wone nipa na oni business ena nipa na fa case di abra wu yoko se osusi se nipa na sisi no yoko we invite directors and managers of the company mo buy we take omo statement ama o grant omo bi omo koi wako court yoko na court o court no court will really dey tiawo say this is a civil matter. This is not a criminal because Yoko is a state institution. And you fight for the state and not individual. And this is a civil matter. Already know what's what fizzy on my account without authorization. And I say order from court. And as High Court really say the oya unique case. What ferry akona koda afi the old defend na afi the was by us say any mokra mo da mempemubium adwuma wura na ankasa na mepenache no. We invite na our my no issue document say we a fugitive. Jane. Thank you. Personal attack as if say your office one and you sue any personal agenda. And you're so sad.
No Raymond Wankasa me Martin ma ba me ense bia I don't want to talk about.
Na me see the member who no wo the very soon be who recordings e be pie.
Raymond
very soon be who recordings are e be pie.
And
this state institutions are on Sano Huno, no crash, I'm sorry, I'm for NNC for my